how to use the Chroma tool, where to find it, and this is for the VN Video Editor app. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. In order to use the Chroma tool, it is currently only available when you insert a video or a photo using the PIP tool, okay? So you can only access that if you're inserting a video over the main video. So this is your base video here, and when you're ready to use the Chroma, it will only work for that inserted video. So now let's just say I'm about to add a video on top here, okay? I'll go here, tap on this part here, the PIP one, and you're going to go to where it says video photo. Once you reach here now, you'll find the video or the photo that you want to insert. This works for both videos and photos, and you'll find the one that's you're looking for, okay? So I'll select this one here. It's gonna appear like this right here. And just to give you an example of how it works and where to find it, I'll show you, okay? So this is not the best type of video you wanna use. You wanna make sure if you're gonna use the Chroma tool, make sure whatever you recorded on, the background is a solid color and something of a bright color. It's gonna work better that way, but I'm just showing you where to find it and how it works, okay? So you'll see it here right now, but usually when you first insert your video overlay here, you wanna make sure you have this video timeline selected to activate the tools for this video here, okay? And then these are gonna show up and you're gonna browse over like that and you're gonna look for Chroma, okay? When you select it, this is gonna happen, and you're gonna take this pointer right here. You're gonna see this pointer here. You're gonna move this pointer to the color you wanna remove. So I'm gonna place this on the blue because the blue is what I wanna remove, okay? And you can adjust the intensity here. That's gonna remove as much as possible. And then when I press a check mark here, you'll see how this is gonna be like that, okay? So now we got the background here showing and just the foreground of the objects, okay? So you'll see this little amount here right there. So that's because this wasn't the best example. But if you're using like a green screen or maybe a blue screen, that's gonna work best for you, okay? And that's gonna just giving you an example of how the Chroma works, okay? So like and sub.